Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, and this time two springtime glosses. They both are inspired by peaches. Yes, God. Here we have a side-by-side comparison of them both. We have Maui on the left and Tampa on the right. Maui is obviously a lighter version of Tampa. The same pigments were used to make both, just one is lighter and one is darker. I cannot wait to share how I made these beautiful glosses with you guys. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick
gang. Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang. Let's mix it up.
Alright, lipstick bestie. So the first color that we'll be making today is this beautiful light lip gloss. It's like a light peach. It's giving light peach vibes. Maui. It is such a beautiful lip gloss color. We made 2 LCs. And if you don't know what LCs are, they are liquid concentrates or liquid colorants on my Patreon. And I am going to be sharing the glosses from those LCs that we made over there on Patreon today. Shout out to all of my new patrons and thank you to all of my OG patrons. I love you guys so much. So to my bowl, I have some Versagel, and then I just added some hydrogenated Polyisobutene, and I'm going to be mixing this up really well until it is evenly or fully incorporated. And right after that, I'm going to be going in with my LC. I also want to mention that my full recipe to this video and all my archive recipes to basically just about any color, it will be on my Patreon, and you guys have access to that for $5 a month. A small pledge of $5 per month will get you access to all of those goodies. All right, so I added my peach to my Versagel, and then I'm just going to start mixing out slow to prevent air bubbles, and then I am going to just kind of keep that slow and steady mix going on. And then I'm going to check to see how it is as far as texture wise. If it's too thick, I already know that it is kind of on the thick side. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some more hydrogenated polyisobutene. A lot of you ask me why I don't use oils, and I do use oils. I just wanted to show another technique or another way of making lip glosses without oils for those of you who have customers that are allergic to different types of oils, and also for those of you who just want an overall more universal product that anyone could use, where it's allergen free and you don't really have to worry about any issues when it comes to being allergic to a specific type of oil. So there you have it. But yes, if you wanted to substitute that second round of hydrogenated polyisobutene with an oil of your choice, please feel free to do so. It's your gloss, it's your world. So yes, right now you see the texture is right where I want it to be. Not too thick and not too thin. It's just the perfect consistency. I love it. It's going to coat the lips for a good while, you know, giving us a slightly longer coverage. Moving right along to Tampa. Tampa is more of a neon version of the Maui. And for this particular LC, I use less white, which is why it appears to be more darker and more on the brighter side. So to the bowl, I have my Versagel ready to go, and then I'm going to repeat basically the same steps as I did in the first with the first gloss. Now I got some hydrogenated polyisobutene going in. Now in goes the Neon Peach LC. Now we have some more hydrogenated polyisobutene going in, and this will also be a good time to add in your preservative or some flavoring oils. I forgot to mention, for those of you that like to add your scents or your flavor oils, this would be a good time to go ahead and add in your flavor oils, even a little bit of vitamin E, just like a drop, and also your preservative. All right, now that we're all done, I'm going to place the cap on, and I'm going to try these beautiful glosses on. The first one I'm trying on is Maui, which is the lighter peach. It is so pretty. It is perfect for the springtime. I already have my lips lined. You guys know I love me a gloss paired with a nice liner. Love the way this came out. That was that beautiful light peach Maui. It is so perfect and so fitting for the springtime and even every day. This is one of those subtle glosses that you could just grab and it goes with everything. All right, so next I'm putting on Tampa. I love the way this came out. It is so pretty. And I love especially the amount of tint that is given. It is so cool and so pretty. All right, besties, that brings me to the end of this video. I want to say thank you so much for always allowing me to share my gift with you guys. I truly appreciate showing you guys these fabulous colors. Happy spring, and as always, stay blessed. I love you.